Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about important named reaction to prepare alkenes, that is Kolbe's electrolysis method. Kolbe's electrolysis method. This reaction is very important to prepare alkenes, that is ethylene. The Kolbe's electrolysis method is concentrated solution of sodium and potassium. Sodium or potassium, a salt of succinic acid. Sodium or potassium salt of succinic acid undergo electrolysis to give ethylene, and also CO2 gas is observed on the anode and hydrogen is formed on the cathode. What is Kolbe's electrolysis method? The concentrated solution of sodium or potassium salt of succinic acid undergo electrolysis. It gives ethylene and CO2 gas at anode and hydrogen gas is formed at cathode. What is succinic acid? The formula of succinic acid is CH2COOH. CH2COOH. Just we remove hydrogens and replace sodium or potassium atoms. Sodium or potassium. So this is called as sodium or potassium salt of succinic acid. Succinic acid formula is CH2COOH. CH2COOH. This is the structure of succinic acid. But we have to take sodium salt of succinic acid. That means, but just we remove hydrogens and put sodium or potassium. Remove hydrogens and replace sodium or potassium atoms. It gives CH2COOK or CH2COOK. This undergo electrolysis. To produce. That means add some water. Water undergo ionization H plus and OH. 2 moles of water. So 2 H plus ions and 2 OH minus ions. In this succinic salt of sodium succinic acid undergo electrolysis to produce CH2 double bond CH2. How CH2 double bond CH2? This is called the name as ethylene. Because ene means the double bond between the two carbon atoms. So it is ethylene. How ethylene is produced? Undergo the reaction, that is the CO2 molecule in between these are removed. 2 CO2 carbon dioxide gas is evolved, and also these potassium atoms 2 OH minus ions to produce potassium hydroxide, and this is the double bond is formed between the CH2 and CH2, and remaining 2 hydrogens, 2 proton atoms to produce hydrogen gas at cathode. What happened to this reaction is the succinic acid, that means the potassium or sodium salt of succinic acid undergo hydrolysis and also electrolysis to produce ethylene molecule and carbon dioxide and 2 moles of potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This is the Kolbe's electrolytic method. method, electrolysis. This is the coal-based electrolysis. What is coal-based electrolysis? The coal-based electrolysis is the important reaction to prepare ene alkenes, that is, for example, to prepare ethylene. The concentrated solution of sodium or potassium salt of succinic acid on electrolysis to gives ethylene and carbon dioxide gas on anode and hydrogen gas at cathode. This is the coal-based electrolysis to prepare alkenes, or that is ethylene. Ethylene preparation. Coal-based electrolysis is used to prepare ethylene by using potassium salt of succinic acid. This is the coal-based electrolysis method. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.